Hello friends, today in this video I will show you install optional updates in Windows and how to install optional updates in Windows 11. So you can very easily install this optional updates in Windows 11 or Windows. So firstly you need to search settings and open it. Now this last option Windows update, click on it. And here this advanced options, click on it. Here you see this optional updates, click on it. Here driver updates, you see this, simply select this all updates and click on download and install. So check this all box and click on download and install. So all updates will be easily download or install. And here you see this option download and install, so very easily you can download. Easy way to download, simply click on download and install, so all updates will be easily download. So you can very easily update this install this optional updates in Windows 11. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.